equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean workspace. First, power off your HP 15s-fq laptop and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any damage to the device. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the keyboard connector, which is usually situated near the top of the motherboard. Gently disconnect the keyboard cable by lifting the locking tab. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need without any pressure. Now, it's time to remove the old keyboard. Depending on your model, there may be additional screws securing the keyboard in place. Carefully remove these screws and set them aside. Once all screws are removed, gently lift the keyboard from the top edge and slide it out towards you. Be mindful of any clips that may still be holding it in place. Before installing the new keyboard, take a moment to clean the area where the keyboard sits. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will help ensure that your new keyboard functions properly. If you're unsure about cleaning or replacing components, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. Now, take your new keyboard and align it with the connector. Slide it into place and press down gently until you hear a click, indicating it's securely connected. Replace any screws you removed earlier to secure the keyboard in place. If you're feeling overwhelmed at any point, just keep in mind that we provide a quote before repair, so you can make informed decisions about your laptop's maintenance. Once the keyboard is secured, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier to ensure everything is secure. Finally, flip your laptop back over, reconnect it to power, and turn it on to test the new keyboard. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the keyboard on your HP 15s-fq laptop. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to help you with your laptop needs from the comfort of your home. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.